Hello everyone, I'm Saksham Sharma back with the updates to answer your queries related to TCS MBA hiring. So before we move on to the comment section, one good news for you is that we have launched a course on Python and SQL, and it has been created by Abhishek Mishra, who is an IT professional and former TCS technical interview panel. And this course has been created for people who doesn't know coding at all. If they have no idea about coding, and still they can understand it and learn from scratch. And that is the USP of this course, that anybody from non-technical background can also learn both Python and SQL. And both these languages are as of now growing a lot of importance, and these are important skills that anybody who is joining an IT company should have some idea about, because if you have this kind of skills in your resume, even if you are selected, you will get a better project, because you know some of the IT programming concepts, and that is where you can get an advantage. So this course is created very thoughtfully, and it is very uh, uh, easy to understand, user friendly, and again it has separate questions on interview preparation. So you can also get you will also get a module on interview preparation, that what kind of questions can be asked you know uh, in interview of Python and around Python and SQL. And again, we are offering it at very economical cost of just 799. If you buy both, then it will be around 1299, again a very economical cost with a 6 month access, where you can watch it multiple times, revise it. So recommend this course to everyone who has no idea about programming languages and who wanted to grow in IT industry, because you cannot grow in an industry if you don't know their language, right? And Python and SQL, these are two languages which will give you both the understanding of front end and back end. At least it is important for you to understand programming. It should not be a technical jargon for you. All right, so recommend everyone who is interested to go for this course. You can find the link to get this course from the description section. And we have our own app. You can learn from the mobile as well. The app is available both on Play Store and App Store. Okay, all right. So let's now move on to the comments. Starting with the first one. Good evening, sir. Good evening. I have recently changed my residency, which means my present address has been changed. How can I update this in my visa documents? Will this affect my joining during the verification process? No. When you will get your joining letter, you will again have to upload the background check documents. That is where you can upload the you know this recently updated address proof, and that will be considered for the background verification. Next, hi sir, I worked in a startup staffing industry during the month of July. Still didn't get the joining letter from TCS. Due to personal emergency, I had to leave within a week, around 5 days. I have worked, I was under probation. I have put a mail to them and they have confirmed my closure of employment via call. Should I have any proof, just in case? I have worked nearly for 3 days and no UNPF or salary account was created. So if no UN or PF was created, then nobody can trace it and nobody will come to know that you have worked something like that. So then it is fine. It is not a problem. Only for the case where they have created a UN account, it goes to the database and anybody can trace it. So if you are sure there has been no UN, then it is fine. You need nothing then. Hello sir, should we scan the documents and then submit them, or simply make the PDF and then upload it? Sir, currently I don't have any third sem and fourth sem marks. Can I upload the result which I have received on my college portal? Yes, you can do that as of now. And scan the documents or simply make the PDF. Both I think is the same thing. You have to make a you when you make a PDF, you have to scan it only. So you can upload the soft copy, whichever is feasible to you, scanning or PDF, but it should be clearly visible. People can clearly read the details. Next, You are really helpful, sir. Most welcome. I have a certificate in advanced Excel and I am currently learning Power BI via YouTube videos. Do you have any courses certified for Power BI or SQL? Oh wow. SQL, I have just shown you in the starting of this video. We have created a beautiful course on SQL. You can refer that. Power BI is under development. Yes, we know again it is a demanded skill in the industry. So Power BI video course is under development, and very soon we will release that. I want to become a data analyst in future for TCS as I am from operations specialization. Very good thought, because as a data analyst you should be good at analytical tools like advanced Excel, Power BI, SQL, Tableau. Even you should know Python also, because Python also from Python also you can do data analytics and we can do analysis. So that is also one language which can help you. Can I also do Six Sigma certification courses? You can do, but I would recommend to wait, because when you will join TCS gives you opportunity to do Six Sigma courses. Yes, so that is true that in TCS you will get a chance if you are interested that you can do Six Sigma certification, and if I'm not wrong, they will sponsor it as well. So basically, you have to do this course at your own in TCS. You have to identify a problem, and Six Sigma courses are about increasing the efficiency by reducing cost, time, or manpower. So you have to find a problem that you see that is there in TCS, and you can make a solution around it, and you can apply for Six Sigma certification, and then you will get a Six Sigma green belt for that. So I think if you are interested, you can do it now. Also, there are avenues which you can find on internet, but yes, I think that will cost you a lot, whereas in TCS you can do it on their sponsorship. So if it is not a hurry, then you can wait for that. But good idea, I think. As an MBA student, you should have this kind of certification. Let me tell you, when I have when I went to IIMs to take interviews for IIM candidates, all the IIM candidates have the Six Sigma green belt certification in their resume, and that was really inspiring to see that all the students over there do the certification courses, Six Sigma certifications. So that will definitely help you in your career ahead, and even to get a good project also, because if you have additional skills, then definitely when you join TCS you will get an advantage over there to when it comes to choosing a project. All right, next. Hello, sir. I have gave the preference for joining in post September. So, is there any chance that I will get the joining on October, or will it be further delayed to November? I have chosen New Delhi as my preferred location, and sir, I haven't received my provisional degree yet, but I have bona fide letters, so that's sufficient document for the joining company next step portal. All right. So, well, first thing first, if you have given your joining post September, so September is already going on. So I think maybe you will get your joining in October or November. And regarding the bona fide letter, yes, it does the job. So till the time your provisional degree comes, bona fide letter can be considered, and it is officially mentioned that bona fide letter slash provisional degree slash degree is acceptable. So bona fide letter is fine. Next, sir, is it advisable to mail ILP support team and ask for tentative date of joining? There is no problem in mailing anyone. Okay, so you can always mail, but there are less chances that they will reply. But there is no harm to do a mail, right? So do a mail and check. Who knows, you get a reply as well. Hi, sir. Could you please clarify whether the medical certificate should be filled only by government doctor, hospital, or gazetted officer, or is it a private practitioner? Yeah, so it can be filled by any MBBS doctor. It should be an MBBS doctor, not Ayurvedic or homeopathic. And you have to get it sealed. So the doctor should have seal as well of the clinic. So if it is from a private hospital, again it is fine. Sir, any update regarding Kolkata region? Also, my specialization was in HR and I only had my interest towards the same. Could you please share some insights on what my roles and responsibility would be as management ready. Additionally, I would like to know there's a possibility of changing my preferred location from Kolkata to Bangalore. Okay, first thing, Kolkata region, I don't think so. They have got the joining yet, so there are good chances that their joining will come soon. Number one, number two. Though your interest is in HR, but from this hiring MBA get to hiring, you will get a techno function role initially. But in TCS, you can always change your role after some time. So you can keep an eye, you can be in touch with RMG, and whenever there is an opening in HR, you can apply for that and you can get the HR role there. Next, can you change your preferred location? I don't think so. There is an option to change your preferred location now. So that is, I think, not possible. Next, sir, in Chennai region, all roles such as Ninja, Smart, VPS, Digital, huge joining has happening. But for MBA hiring trainee, we can't get any updates. It's already 3.1. Is there any update regarding Chennai? We are deeply depressed day by day. Okay, firstly, don't be depressed. Okay, nothing to be depressed about. It is very normal to get the joining after some time of your offer letter. See, the good thing is you should look at the good side that the joinings are coming and two batches have got the joining. So that means joinings are happening and the next batch joining will come soon. If they have not taken joining of any batch so far of MBA, then it should have been your concern. But two batches have got the joining, and now the chances are high for the batches for the regions who have not given joining yet for any single batch. So, in my understanding, now those region who has not got even the first batch of joining will get their joining. So, good chances of joining and be positive and don't use heavy words like depressed. Okay, life, you know, uh, is like that only. You have to wait, for things, and things happen at their own time. So it doesn't mean that you should be depressed. Be positive. Okay, you will get your joining. All right, sir, I have received the joining letter. Yellow. A person below you has got the joining letter. See, people are getting their joining. You will also get their joining. Why to be depressed? Be positive. Okay, for the MBA certificate verification, I have taken bona fide certificate from college, certified on my course, my questions and work certification. That's okay. Bona fide will work. You don't need the professional degree. You can submit it later when you will when you join TCS. They have an internal portal called Ultimatics where you can upload the documents later also. So that is where you can upload it. But yes, bona fide letter will do the job. All right. Next, sir, people who have given the interview in Noida have got their joining already, and I guess only my profile was skipped. What could be that? What could be done in such situation? No, your guess is not wrong. Guess is wrong because not everybody can get the joining at the same time, and even the students of same college doesn't get the joining on the same time. Okay, so joining happen in batches, and maybe you will get your joining in the next batch. TCS has no rivalry from you, and they will. It's a system-driven process, so they don't pick people and give the joining. It is a system-driven process. Certain people get their joining, certain people get it in the next batch. What to be done in such situation? Wait and watch patiently is the best thing I can recommend. So I couldn't get clarity with the previous doubt. My doubt is that should I submit the uploaded document, expect NSR, affidavit, or wait for the joining letter, submit everything in one go? Submit whatever documents you have. The remaining documents you will get a chance to submit when you get your joining letter. Clear? Did anybody from Kolkata region receive joining letter? Kerala, sorry. Okay. People responding no. Thank you, sir, for patiently clarifying my queries regarding joining letter. Your guidance is giving me a lot of confidence and helping me prepare better for my start with TCS. Thank you. Your comments motivate me. All the best. Next, anybody joining from Chhattisgarh region? I think Chhattisgarh is close to Nagpur, and the Nagpur people, I don't think so, have got their joining. Next, said I didn't receive my joining since I had joined a different company. Meanwhile, a joining is delayed. I had joined a different company. Joining is delayed where they have created UNPF account. I didn't receive my joining since I joined a different company. Okay, for this role, is it compulsory? Candidates should not have UN or will it be a problem? I don't believe. All right. So if you have joined a company and they have created your UN account, so basically, if your PF is getting deducted, that means your UN account has been created. And before joining TCS, you have to get, you have to take a proper exit from that company. That means, serving the notice period and closing your, uh, your PF account over there, and then you can join TCS. When you will join TCS, the exit formalities from the last company should have been done, and that is fine. And then you can join TCS. But if the exact formalities from the last companies are not done, and if your PF account has not been closed by the last company, then it can create a problem when joining TCS. So don't be afraid. Just get your exit formalities done before you leave the last company. Sir, could you please mention the joining location for the two batches that have already been initiated, and will there be more joining for the remaining ones or for the same location, or will they give other joining if the joining will have come till now? So I don't know exactly. I have not counted likewise, which locations have got the joining, but I think all the major locations have got the joining. Now, whether those locations will again get the new batch, or the locations will which have not got the joining yet will get the joining first, is a question which cannot be said with certainty. But the logic says, see, joining and then training candidates, will take time. So those locations who have already got the joining will definitely have to finish the training of the already joined batch. So their joining can get delayed, and the rest of the location which have not received even the first batch of joining have high chances of getting the joining now. Next, sir, I have joined a company, but here is a policy that they have to submit the notice period of 1 month, which we need to serve in order to resign. But as far as I am concerned about TCS, TCS offers a 15 days time to join. So what to do? And no dates for joining has come. I can understand your concern, but that's not a rule that only before 15 days you come, TCS inform. 15 days, mostly TCS inform. Sometimes they inform even before 1 month as well. Another thing is that the notice period is never fixed. You can buy out the notice period. That means you have to pay the 15 days salary amount to the company, and they will reduce your notice period. Yes, that is a possibility, and many companies have that option. So check about that possibility from somebody, because they also understand that you have to join the next company, and anyway you are going to leave the company. So they will reduce the notice period, but again you might have to pay a 15 days salary, or whatever time that you are reducing from the standard notice period. So you can refer to those options if you get an intimation just 15 days before your joining. And most important, that have good relations with your manager and with the HR, because in such cases support from these people really help you to get an early exit. Next, so I gave the smart and ignite hiding TCS interview on 10 July, still no update, and only best option. Basically, TCS have declared the result even after 2 months of the interview, even after 2.5 months as well. So I think you still have time. So you can wait positively. Otherwise, if it doesn't come, you can imagine that you are not selected. But still, I think there is time, so you can keep your hopes alive. With all respect, why did you stop the TCS NQT results video? Honestly, there has been no update about TCS and QT results. I have checked from multiple people, I have checked from senior HRs, and everybody is saying they are not sure when it will be declared. And TCS leadership is holding intentionally, because it's been very long now that they are not, like it's been 3 months, and the hiring which happened even after TCS and QT has got the results and joining, but TCS and QT they are not releasing results, so there are no updates for me to make a video. So it makes no sense to make a video for something for which I have no concrete update. And anyway, Everybody is waiting, for this result. Students are also very anxious, but I am also very disappointed from TCS about NQT because they should update the students, but they are not doing it. But whenever I will get a concrete update, definitely I will make a video about it. Okay, all right. Again, NQT off campus, I just answered. Sir, I haven't uploaded documents till now. My offer letter came on June 3rd. Now I got all documents. I think it's already 3 months now. I'm ready to upload it because it's already 90 days and only 1 month left. And okay, to upload it now. Another doubt is after uploading all should I click submit button or save? Submit it because the remaining documents you can upload 15 days before you're joining. Okay. How many days Enharika takes till I now apply it now? You will get it in 1 week if you do the KYC properly. Otherwise, when I try to uploading showing document. Okay, so you have asked so many questions in one comment only. So basically, I already answered two of your questions. One is submitted. Remaining documents you can upload later. When your joining comes. And second, NSRE card, apply it now so that you get your IT pin as soon as possible. Next, if you are not able to upload, try it from a different system, try it from a different browser. Okay, maybe it work, or sometimes portal is also not working. So just see if any pop-up is not getting blocked. So do this basic troubleshooting. Sir, NSR biometric verification needed for TCS joining? No. If you have got your NSR IT pin, it is enough. Biometric verification is discontinued now, and it is no more required. Sir, any idea when Kolkata region people will get joining letter? Soon. So I think that is the best answer I can give you. But yeah, Kolkata is a big region and they have not got the joining. So, I think it should come soon for Kolkata region. Sir, please could you tell when the smart candidate will receive joining? Sir, please, joining letter, please receive the offer letter joining. Joinings are coming for smart, if I'm not wrong, and joining comes in batches, and then don't worry, it comes in batches. That means you will get your joining in the upcoming batches, so nothing to be stressed about. Not everybody can get the joining at the same time. So I don't have MBA third sem memo and fourth sem results are yet to be released. So I didn't upload the documents. Will I get joining letter without uploading? You upload whatever you have because when you will get your joining, you again have to upload the documents. So that is where you can upload the remaining documents. Sir, I got the offer letter on 21st May and I am from Kolkata region. Can I directly go to TCS office in Kolkata and ask them about any tentative date of joining? Will it be appropriate, sir? And are there any chances that they will answer my queries? No, don't do it. You will not be allowed to enter into TCS office without ID card, number one, or without any invitation like for interview. And joining is not handled by the local people. It is handled by the ILP team, which is centralized, which may or may not be in Kolkata. So don't do this. Be patient. Joining is happening. It has come for two batches. Yours will come soon, and don't go to office at all. You will not be allowed to enter the office. Anyone from Hyderabad got joining letters? Okay, no. All right. So I think we have covered all the comments. So thank you. If you have any more comments, let us know. And do have a look at our Python and SQL course. You will get the link in the description section. Till then, thank you so much.